Okay, here's Premiere Pro 2019, and let's see how to cut clips to equal length, equal duration. So I just dragged 3 clips here on the timeline, and the length is not identical. This one is longer, that one is shorter. Okay, first of all I will trim down, let's say, the first part of this clip because it's not that interesting. I'm pressing Q. Okay, go there and it will cut off that portion using W. So Q and W, Q to cut off the beginning and W to cut off the end. Okay, so we have 3 clips. Now use this tool, selection tool, select all of those clips, right click any of those clips and go to speed, duration. Okay, and if this one is checked, I mean it's linked together, speed and duration, then uncheck it. It must have that line there. Okay, click here to duration, and the first one is the hour, minute, second, and I think the frame length. So modify the hour, minute. That's the minute, 0 minutes, and let's say 0.5 seconds. So all the clips will be 5 seconds long here on the timeline. Okay, now let's zoom in because it got much shorter. Move it to the left and mute the sound because it's loud. And here we have, each clip is 5 seconds long. If you want, you can further reduce it by doing the same thing. Simply select those clips, right click, speed, duration, and instead of 5 seconds type in, let's say, 2 seconds, and okay. And now each clip is of 2 seconds long. 1, 2, and the third clip. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.